Riders coming through, now these niggas nervous for certain. We stay working, been a corner on 3 to let it hang like a curtain. Been the parking lot working, catch a victim, then we serving. Determined, I'm out, I'm protecting with a purpose. Coming through bad, acting like my Uncle Russ. Cause we just gotta hit him, gotta give it up. Square jumps and pumps just to lift the front. We finna come through, clowning, gotta give it up. What would you do if I put up on you in the juice and I served you in two? And tell me, what you gonna do when my crew coming through, pulling up and they serving you food? And tell me, what would you do if I put up on you in a coupe and it ain't got no roof and the system go boom and the bumper go bang and I scream San Diego? We do our dance. Super they go listen like the roller coaster admission. Southern California living, I was raised to hit switches, bill bitches out there riches. They go charge them little riches by the ocean. I be chillin', catch my pose, see what I'm really in. I was raised in a place people dream to see. America's finest city where the sun always beaming. Yes, the weather is great, but it ain't always what it seems. We get cold, we get frozen when that metal start to breeze. It says street to third step from San Diego. I grew up around gang signs, but now I don't claim those. Classic Chevy, I bang those. Flick of the switch, the rider jumping like the game on me. Celebrating a touchdown. Let's take a ride to the beach house so we can punch down. Gotta move smooth through the city when them guns out. You just chillin' at the beach and heard them gun sounds. It get cold when the sun out. S3, I ain't with the set trip, I'm with the check getting. So please let me get my paper like me blood said. When you live by the water, gotta be about $1. The money calling, you better holler. Get it back and pop your collar from right town. Cars and Hondas, the Escalades and the pilots. Spinning corners on them dollar to J Street and get some hops in. Rider head to the business skate park, no watch me drop in. Or catch me in the cold at the cold with some pop shit. Dago like no riders at Fam Hard on the Sunday. The OG's running into the street. You go like a runway off the OG side, but one way gonna pop what you got. The big homie got the vibe and start doing the pop lock. Dago when I see some bullshit, I say it's Pobo. Call out trees, gotta see the big homies, they call it Dodo. Surf bugs and clowns pose on the to the neck like Shotty riding solo polo. You know I got a lot to say. Send childish bitches Legoland if they wanna play. Nah, I ain't in the wasting time, I'm in it getting paid. So Cali, so 619, Spring Valley, San Diego County, where I reside. Used to live in San Diego, College Grove, and East Side. Southeast East, there go Cojones when I wing slide. This nigga banged on me, toss his gang on me. Say little baby something, they wanna know what's that I claim on me. You should've seen his face when I told him I didn't bang. Cause I'm a young nigga with braids, I don't mean I'm from a gang. San Diego where I was raised, and I'm a rep for every gang, and I'm a rep for every game. Now put it down for the town. Fat ass D on my hat when I'm sliding around. It's a San Diego thing, 619 in the house. Super Dago, listen like the roller coaster admission. Southern California living, I was raised to hit switches. Built bitches out there riches, they go charge them little riches. By the ocean, I be chillin', catch my pose, see what I'm really in. I was raised in the place people dream to see. America's finest city where the sun always get frozen when that metal starts to breathe. Gotta love the 619 where the sun shine, you dig? Sun ain't shining no more, but it still feel great, you dig, on a nighttime vibe. Like I said, happy birthday to the twins, you feel me? Thanks for having me, and I'ma hit y'all with one more, and then it's time to bumper check somebody, game over style, you dig? First off, dreams to reality. From dreaming of Amazon to legends on the slap. We stumbled across the package, snatched it, lost tucked the way I had to grab it. Open it, my name all the sugar cane. I done came up, sugar free, cocaine. I had to step my game up. Blow rockets and slang them, bang them, and then we slang them. I'm cruising in my lane, bending corners while I'm blazing. A lot of y'all squares be on that sucker shit. That sucker shit. You like the hook, but I guess the grip. I'ma get the grip. Y'all can hate all day, run in your mouth and live. Shut the fuck up. Back at your game is sweet, but I knock that bitch and get chips. Hey. Falling like a chicken. Forever. Broken sticky links. Forever. I'm getting in these streets. This is forever. You cannot fuck with me. Never. Shout out to legendary Sugar Free for blessing me with the birthday. I said, Dji, yeah, knock me better, just one nigga. You're not capable of pulling off a procedure like that. The P, the O, the M, O, N, A. Locking up the deuce and that's D on any given minute. So let me lay it on you, Willie. A real hoe with a beard slap shit. We blowing cotton, I'm drop. And locked it up before the train track. Hotel and coin, ass sagging, titanium smoking the ashtrays. And we do all we move. A lot of y'all squares be on that sucker shit. You like the hot, but I guess the grip. Ain't all day, run in your mouth and live. Back at your game is sweet, but I knock that bitch and get chips. Falling like a chicken. Forever. Forever.
Get it in these streets.
This is forever.
You cannot fuck with me.
Alright, check me out. I got sugar cane, I done came up. Somebody pass a ladder, I got a blunt, I'm finna flame up. Riding in the Chevy, hit the switch and watch the raise up. Steady chasing the bag, I'm sorry baby, I can't lay up. I'm just trying to ball my folks, but y'all knew that. Sugar free and cocaine, that's free, why you do that? Wait, somebody pitch me, I think I'm dreaming. I got sugar free on the verse and cocaine on the singing. Neck knocks on the beat, got it funky where the lights off. Some niggas trying to hit my weed, I don't like y'all. Some niggas out here trying to down talk my vision. Stay focused, I'm blunted, rolling leaves, city switch. I'm just California living, like the S3-way. Sunny San Diego, like the SD-way. Using blowing gang, bending corners in the city traders. Beat hella funky like, this shit stank.
Pass me on that sucker